What is going on, friends and family, subscribers, non-subscribers, clickers of this video, watchers, listeners, anything in betweeners? In-betweeners, I kind of like that word. How are you guys doing? Did you have a great weekend? It is Monday, and I have this this brown box here, and to be honest with you, I don't even know who it's from, because I order stuff and things show up and there's no company name or anything like that on here. So I have this brown box, and we're going to open it up. I'm going to give you my first impressions, and obviously that's going to tell you what company we're spending the week with, what company we're going to try out, what company we're going to put in our beards, and then come back to you and give you a final FRS score on Friday. So if you're new here, that's what we do. If you're not new here, you know that's what we do, and you're ready to join me in this journey. So let's dig into it. I'm Tyson with Faithfully Bearded. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell, and turn on all notifications so you know when we come out with new content. I have my knife here. I've been looking for one of those, like, do they call them a switchblade, or what do they call them when you sit here with it and you press the button and it goes, it's like a jagged, and then you push the button and it sucks back in. I'm not necessarily a knife person, but I got my knife, and just something like, I never grew up hunting or knifing, so I'm kind of just like, this is my trusty hobby, pocket knife here. And so I use it. I saw a review on it, and I was like, well, I'm going to get that knife. And I did, and it's just been my go-to. But I want one of those knives that I can just, like takes off, like shoots out of there like a rocket. I feel like we could have fun. Did you guys ever have those things when you were kids, those Hot Wheel things, where you put the cars in, you press the button, and the car takes off? That's what I'm thinking right now. All right. So I sliced open this box. I got a bunch of peanuts in there. I call them Aubrey chores. Swag calls them garbage. I think a lot of people call them peanuts or styrofoam fluffy things. So I'm just going to go ahead and handle these right over the shoulder, because these are Aubrey chores. And so Aubrey comes in, cleans these things up, earns herself some money so she can buy toys, because she's an addict to toys. Which I can't really say much about, because I'm an addict to beard products. Alright, so this tells me what company we have. Look at this. You got some pretty nice labeled up here tissue paper, and it's Tactical Beards. Tactical Beards. He actually has no idea that I'm doing a review for him. I bought some stuff from him based on what my brothers, David, that beard guy, Kansas City, and Mike Cribbs Swag, has told me about Tactical, so I was like, well, I'm going to try them out. So I ordered some stuff, and now it's their turn to get spotlighted on the Faithful Ranker score. So the first thing, this is a pretty not bad presentation, right? This is pretty good. Pretty good. We got a little, I can't start with this. Let me get everything out of here. I just can't start that way. Alright, so Aubrey chores. Alright. So we got these baggies here. And the first thing that I kind of see with this is it's different. Like, it's not a Ziploc bag. It's like he puts it in here and he heat seals it shut. So it's not like a Ziploc. It feels a little bit more sturdy than a Ziploc. I kind of like that. And then you got the bottle here, so check that out. You got a flat black label. Flat black, just the way I like it. You got a pretty neat little design. You got the 12-month thing on here. It's got vegan. What else do we got on here? Not tested on animals, biodegradable, paraben-free, vegan, 12-month. This scent is Invicta. You got ingredients, which actually look super good. Like avocado oil, meadowfoam oil, hemp seed, cherry kernel, Abyssinian. Wow. Okay. And then the scent profile is Invicta, which I believe is that cologne, right? Like, it's a cologne mimic, I think. Let's find out. Let's find out. So let's shake a roo, get the sniffer ready, and then give it a snifferoo here. Maybe this isn't the cologne mimic. I get some cologne to it, but I get earthy as well. There's some earth in there. And a cologne-ish, I'd say it's a cologne-ish scent, but I get some earth in it too. So I might have to dig in and see what the actual real scent profile is, if it is a mimic cologne, or if that's just a name that he came up with for it. But then we got the second one here, and as you can see here, you got this pop top, which leads you to a pumper. I got a little bit of leakage going on here. That's the nice thing with that Ziploc, thicker than Ziploc bag. So here you got the wrapper and the garbage around there, and then you have the pump top. And I don't think the lid was on tight. I think that's why it leaked a little bit. But this scent is called Rain, and I kind of went for that because it rhymes with bang, and there is a Rain drink. Shout out to Joey Hookham. Let's just shake this Rain up and give it a smell here. Now this one I like. This reminds me of new. Like, I walk into a department store, like a brand new building type scent. But clean and fresh and newish. That's how I'm going to describe it. It's like a newish, cleanish scent. I mean, I guess I could wear it as cologne. It's like, if I want to be new, I'm fresh out of the shower, I want to smell new, and so I'm putting on the Rain. I guess fresh like rain, but it's spelled different than rain. It's R-E-I-G-N. Oh, this reminds me of something. I just can't pinpoint what it is. Alright, we're bringing back memories. And then I got beard butter. Nourish that beard, and the scent is Veni Vidi Vici. Veni Vidi Vici. Veni Vidi Vici. I don't know. Jojoba butter, moringa butter, avocado butter, hemp seed butter. Oh snap! Like it does have beeswax in here. So my attention to fine details kicks in, and between moringa butter and avocado butter, there's no comma. But there's a comma between every other ingredient. And I noticed that right away. Now, I'm not necessarily going to ding him for that, but I'm going to give him feedback, like my little senses here. So this is 1 ounce of beard butter, and I don't remember what I paid for it, but we'll find out. I guess I'll look at the website. But here you go with that, and what the label looks like here. So let's just... Okay, this is tobacco. There's some tobacco in here. Oh yeah, so this is gonna be amazing, right? Because it's a tobacco scent, and it's a nice tobacco. Oh yeah. All right, I like this. I'm interested in how this is gonna feel, because right off the bat, it kind of feels more like a balm to me. Feels a little bit more balmy, but I'll get it up, melted in the hands, up in the beard, up in this man mane, and let you guys know what I think. And then his wash, I got aloe and hemp beard wash, and it comes in this, again, this thick plastic thing that he like heat seals shut. And we got this beard wash, this white bottle here with this label. I think it looks pretty good, right? I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's see, paraben-free, fragrance oil, biodegradable, same thing as all the other stuff. Aloe vera gel, betaine, a bunch of other stuff. Hemp seed oil, okay, and lather. Rub into a damp beer, lathered by hand, rinse thoroughly. So let's give it a shake. You got this push. Whoa! What do they call that? Gleek? Is that when you're talking and it's like underneath your tongue like spits out a little bit? Well, I just opened this and it just went, it just kind of gleeked. Never mind. Okay, so what scent is this? I don't think it has a scent. Let's see, let's get up here and let's just see the thickness of this. Oh yeah, nice and thick. It smells really good. It smells clean. It almost reminds me of this Rain scent, and maybe that's what it is. I'm not 100% sure. So, but based on what I'm seeing here, I got 2 oils, I got a butter, I got a wash, so I got some stuff to have fun with this week. I'm going to come in at an 8.5. I kind of like the labels, I like the bottle. I like the scents that I have here, so I'm going to come in at 8.5. The ingredients look good. I'm going to see if I can talk to him this week, get some more information, wear it all week long, and then come back to you guys with hopefully a story, a backstory, a little bit of information about the company. But we're definitely going to come back with a ranking, and we're going to put them on the FRS scale on Friday. So until I talk to you guys again soon, grab your coffee. It's still too early for bang, but I have the Rain. Stroke your tactical Maine. And God bless you all. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, that thumbs up, and that bell. Turn on all your notifications so you know when we come out with new content. You can also find us at faithfullybearded.com, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on your favorite podcast network. Just search Faithfully Bearded on your favorite podcast app. God bless.